storyboard we made using the Blackmagic camera and cutting it on Premiere Pro, which made it easier to see the order in which the shots would go and potential issues that could arise. We then cut the song for the animatic on Logic. We also did a test shoot beforehand with the Blackmagic Ursa Mini to see whether the cast worked well for the image we were going for and whether they looked good together. We also used the internet to research what equipment we would be using and how it would work, such as the jib. To make a set design, we used Photoshop.
Production day for the music video went considerably well due to the use of digital technology, as well as using a monitor which enabled us to view the camera shots and lighting on the screen, which helped us have an outlook on how our product looked. We also used a digital clapper that enabled us to sync up the footage with the music, which made the editing process much easier to link up the music and footage together.
The camera we used to shoot our music video was the Blackmagic Mini Ursa. We filmed in 2K. We mostly had static camera shots. This suited the tone and genre of our music video, except for when we used a jib for a God's eye shot and when we lowered it down and tilted the camera so it was level with the drummer. We also used focus pulls to make the static shots more interesting to the audience so they didn't get bored. We used multiple size lenses ranging from 20 to 85mm focal range.
After the whole edit was done, I determined the color imaging on each shot by using the Lumetri scopes on Premiere. This gave me an idea of how I could manipulate color and light in order to achieve the effect desired. We then exported video from Premiere Pro and imported it into Adobe After Effects. There I created a blur layer by minimalizing the contrast, increasing brightness and saturation, and adding maximum warmth to the video. This created a template onto which I could put the HD film stock with about 70% of transparency. This allowed the blur layer to glow underneath, creating an effect resembling overexposed film, an element associated widely with Western films. Afterwards, I exported the video at H.264 MPEG-4 Part 10 to achieve the highest definition possible in order to hide the grain that was created by the doubling of the layers. We then chose the right mat for the letterboxing and covered the narrative shots with the original footage in order for them to remain unprocessed and raw, as that was the effect we were looking for. Plus, there was a difference in the color palette between the two sections of the video, which resulted in an ineffective look for the narrative section with cold temperature colors.